Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
The Print of the Cuff, presented by IIFL Wealth and Asset Management, powered by K. Raheja Corp, corporate partner AU Small Finance Bank, in association with Global Insurance Brokers, airline partner SpiceJet, in alliance with Indraprastha Apollo Hospitals.
You said you chose Dr. Ella's Bharat Biotech. And one of the reasons you did that was that he has a BSL-3 lab. And you were the only ones with BSL-4 labs. So NIV had a BSL-4 labs. So please explain to illiterate people like me, what is BSL-3, what is BSL-4, and why was it so important that you went with a lab or with a vaccine manufacturer who had BSL-3 facilities?
See, there is a WHO blueprint which describes the viruses which are very deadly, with very high mortality, whether it is Nipah or whether it's Ebola or Hendra, Marburg. These are viruses which are on the WHO blueprint, and they are the deadly viruses in terms of very high mortality, and they can also be misused. So those viruses are again on the WHO blueprint that they have to be dealt with in a BSL-4 facility. And a BSL-4 facility is a maximum containment laboratory, which again probably was the vision of my predecessors, and I congratulate them for thinking about setting up a BSL-4 laboratory in the early, 2010, 2011, when it was the first in Southeast Asia.
The Chinese didn't have it.
Chinese had it in 2017. They set up the Wuhan lab was set up in 2017, and they set it up in 2010-11, and all the standard operating procedures were made at that time, and with the tremendous amount of security and fencing at that laboratory, because this is a virus which can, and that laboratory is also a repository for other viruses. All the polio viruses are kept there, and we are trying to create a repository for other bacteria and fungi also in different parts of the country, in different institutes. But the viral repository is the maximum containment laboratory, the BSL-4. And for handling this virus, the lowest that you can go down is a BSL-3, because it is a highly infectious, highly contagious virus with a high mortality. So that is why we felt that if we are going to develop a vaccine, you will have to handle the live virus.
Has that incentivized other pharma companies and vaccine manufacturers also to set up BSL-3 facilities?
Oh yes. Not only other pharma companies, but other science agencies in the country and other departments are also setting up BSL-3 laboratories. In fact, we have requested one of the manufacturers to manufacture a mobile BSL-3 laboratory, and we are requested them to provide us, and hopefully by middle of next month we will have a mobile BSL-3 laboratory, and we'll station them at NIV and could drive anywhere, and one at Gorakhpur, so one for the north and one for the south really, so that it can, and maybe one could go even to Kerala. So that will be a mobile BSL-3 laboratory.
The Print of the Cuff, presented by IIFL Wealth and Asset Management, powered by K. Raheja Corp, corporate partner AU Small Finance Bank, in association with Global Insurance Brokers, airline partner SpiceJet, in alliance with Indraprastha Apollo Hospitals.